I have an unboxing today. I don't even know how I came across this item. I was looking for something else online and then this happened to come up on the suggested things, and then I looked it up and I was like, ooh. But no one seems to have any reviews about it online. Like, I couldn't find anything about this on YouTube, Google, or anything like that. So I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna get it and we're gonna see how it looks like. I also bought a perfume because they had, if you spend over $100 you get free shipping. Anyway, going back to this. Now, by the title you will know that this is a Givenchy Lips on the Go palette. This is what it looks like. So when it did come, it came all bubble wrapped, and this does come with a plastic wrapper around it, which I removed. So you guys, this is what the pouch looks like up close. You can see that it's got a bag looking kind of look at the front with leather, and then we've got some gold silver hardware, silver zipper. I am finding it a bit hard to close the zipper than the Dior ones. So this is what the palette looks like when receiving it. And you take this off and it comes with a lip brush, a double-ended lip brush with Givenchy on it. My finger accidentally, I was trying to take this off and then my finger accidentally dented it, but these are the lip balms. I'll just swatch them real quick because I've going from left to right. This is the first one, which is a semi-matte. Number 9, it's a coral, and this is extreme shine, which is that one right there. So that's not even going to show on my skin. The next one, which is just a balm, clear balm, nothing. Then we've got the enhancer, which is the black one in the middle right there, and doesn't do anything. It's like right there. And then we've got this red, which is a semi-matte. It's a nice red. It's a blue base red. I like reds like this. They don't make your teeth look yellow. Then we've got a more corally red, which is the one I tried on first, which is that purple one right there. And we'll put that here. I like that color too. Now what I'm going to do is just take this blade and kind of just lift it up from the corners. And this is that. So this is that. Oh, it's also got this. Okay, interesting. So that's how you can keep it. You could probably put like a piece of tape so we're going to just leave that there. This is how the bag looks without the insert inside it. So it's cute. I'm also going to just take this off. Wow. It doesn't leave a mark, just do it slowly. And we're just going to add this to the back. And then this is your own little kind of clutch or... So the first way you can wear it is just as it is. You can just have it, you know, on you, just like this. It is pretty tiny compared to the Dior one. I will show side-by-side comparisons, but just for size comparison, this is under 15 centimeters wide, so it is like 14.5, and then tall, and then 8 centimeters wide, and it is 3 centimeters deep. So it's not that big, it's quite small. You could also DIY your own those rings into here and then make it a little crossbody or a little bag, that would look cute as well. You could keep this if you do have a Givenchy bag. This would look really cute with it, just to kind of keep your cards or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and first show you what fits inside this. Just to quickly go over pricing, I'm not sure if I mentioned it previously, but this costed me $97.34. I was going to an event. The only thing that I would take is my keys, my phone and my wallet. So as you can see here, my keys I think are the only thing that will fit. I can probably put my cards under and then put my keys on top. I usually carry a spare lipstick in my car. I carry sanitizer in my car, hand lotion in my car, like all those stuff I carry in my car because they're stuff I will most likely use on a daily basis. So that's basically all the stuff I carry. I also do carry a mask. And that's about it. And my phone. Now, my phone is not going to fit in this. Now, as you guys know, I have the 12 Pro. And that's the closest thing because I'm filming off my 12 Pro, so that doesn't fit in there. And this is a XS Max, which also doesn't fit. But again, this is more like not a full-on clutch, but more like a stuff to keep your little, I don't know, coins and stuff in. And that's how it zips. There's no dismorphing or anything happening to the bag. That the only thing I have noticed with any bags that do have, like, you know, the DIY ones that do have this, is that the mirror tends to get scratched because of the keys. This is a Dior one, we'll move that one, and this is a Givenchy. So as you can see, it is quite smaller in size. You can almost fit this in size inside it. Width wise, it is also just a tiny bit narrower width-wise, and then you've got that wise, crosswise. It's got that much of a gap. So, and you know, overall this is much smaller. This does fit a lot more. If you guys want to see like what fits inside the Dior, let me know and I'm happy. So you guys, that is the end of my Givenchy DIY clutch review. I mean, it's so adorable. I love it so much. It is actually beautiful. I love the mess behind me. So that is all for today, and have a great rest of the day or night.